And brother, there is one doubt. Like people say, this is Balen city. Why is it saying like that?
Okay, before here the mayor is one person. He didn't do anything. It's all polluted here and there.
Okay.
But Balen is mainly a rapper.
Yeah, Balencia, that man, right?
No.
His name is
Balen.
Balen.
And
Oh.
he's a rapper and engineer. And he did rap before. But
He
later
developed.
he became a mayor of Kathmandu.
Okay.
And then he do construction here. He made there is before they are all parking here.
Oh.
Now he cancelled here. And this
Okay.
is open road. And
Okay.
you see there all the he made the footpath bigger.
Okay.
Yeah.
That guy only.
Yeah, that guy
Wow.
only made this.
That's why they call
They
it
call
Balen City.
Yeah.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's
that's
I have
really.
to go here. I have to go leave.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Welcome to Nepal.
Thank you.